Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back. If you're new to my channel, my name is Joy and I'm a Christian girl who loves to talk about lifestyle, my faith, makeup and all that good jazz, enriching your life by motivating, inspiring and educating you. So today I want us to unmask my skincare secrets, and I'm focusing on masks. And the reason is I put out a post on Facebook and my friend asked me, your skin is how? Tell us. It was like, okay, I use this mask and it's working for me. And another friend requested for me to tell them more about these masks, and so I want to unmask my masking secrets. So using masks has really improved my skin. I just started like being serious with it after watching a skincare video that was done extensively by Patricia Kihoro, who I truly admire. Maybe it's because she also talks just as much as I do, but she truly taught me so much on her skincare routine video, and I incorporated some of those things as well as some more things that I have always been using, and that is what I want to share with you today without wasting any time. I have a range of masks that I got from the Body Shop, and this range from like exfoliating to soothing masks. So I will start with the first one, and this is the Himalayan charcoal mask. Now this one looks sort of matope, like muddy inside, and it's black, but it is amazing, especially for healing, like when you've got breakouts and then they become sore and painful. This does such a good job. And also, like if you have whiteheads, it helps to when you're extracting. Now the thing is, you can use it as a mask, like apply it and then it will dry, but when you're taking it off, you just simply use it to exfoliate your skin at the same time, and it is amazing. It has a cooling effect, which is so nice. Like when you feel your skin is stressed out, you know, it has passed through a lot of things, this works wonders. Number two, I've got this one, and this is the Chinese ginseng and rice. This is a clarifying polishing mask. Now I use this mask when I'm going to wear makeup because it sort of quickly enables me to get rid of like dead skin on my skin and have this radiant glow come out, you know. And this was a recommendation from from my friend Michelle, who also has a channel, and I'll link her channel. She can sing, like sing, and she is all about skincare. Yani, her skin is gorgeous, and she knows like what to use when you need what to use. And the cherry on top is she's also a Christian YouTuber, and I'm all about yes, I'm really feeling that vibe this year. So this ginseng rice, it looks like this. It's whitish inside and it's got like granular particles that you can use to exfoliate. And so like if I'm doing my facial at home, I'm too cheap, man. I don't go for a facial kwa salon, and my girl Vero, who charges me 700 for a facial, is also not in Doha. So I do my facials at home, and this is what I use when I am exfoliating. Perfect. Now my last the Body Shop mask has to be this tea tree. It's called the tea tree skin clearing night mask. It's green in color. I think green is like a color for healing or something. Yeah, so what I do with this mask is, like if I've come from day shift and I was wearing makeup and I've taken off my makeup, I have a skincare routine for my evening, like how I take off my makeup. So I take off my makeup and then I'll apply this mask right before I go to bed, and I sleep in it. And in the morning when I wake up, my skin is supple, my skin is soft, it does not regret my makeup choices, and so I'm able to wear makeup for extended periods of time without damaging my skin. Now the downside to this is that if you're booed up, if you've got special someone in your life and they don't know that you wear this mask at night and they kiss you, they will kiss tea tree off your skin. Don't say I didn't tell you. Now, so that was for the Body Shop masks. Now, I've also loved sheet masks. The first time that I discovered sheet masks was when I first came to Doha and I had direct access to Sephora and I didn't have clear financial goals, so I spent a lot of money on makeup. But Jesus is the God of restoring us from our foolishness. And now I have discovered very affordable masks. These masks, these ones are available in Almira, in Carrefour. They're everywhere. They're in all supermarkets here. And these ones, I got them from a shop called The Face Shop, which deals in Korean skincare products. So I'll start with my supermarket ones. These are the Garnier. Did you hear that? Français. This is the Garnier Skin Active, and this is the tissue mask Hydra Bomb. It is super hydrating and glow revealing mask. So for those who saw my post on Instagram, if you are not following me, it's at It's Joy Quint, and ask me, your skin, what did you do? Show us, This is the culprit. The name here, glow revealing, is for real. It actually does reveal your glow. I don't know what this mask has in it. The ingredients are many: aqua, propylene glycol, glycerin, prunus, iodinous, leaf extract. I don't know, castor oil, potassium hydroxide. Easy ni chemistry mingi. But what I know is you will not go wrong. If you have dry skin, this is your friend. If your skin is feeling dull and mashida nyingi, this is what you need. And this video is not sponsored. I just love these masks. Like, I truly love it. The only thing I wish is that they would come up with a pack that has got like more than one, so you don't need to keep replenishing. You can see at any given time I have 2, because I treat myself to this every 2 weeks. These ones were a pleasant surprise. Of course, your girl here bought them when they were on sale, so I got them for 2. Buy 2, get 1 free, and they were going for 10 real, which is equivalent to a little over 280 Kenya shillings. And I got this one. I got the rice one. I've not tried the rice one, but I have tried the honey one. Honey, let me tell you, honey, let me tell you. Yani, this is like, I don't want to say Botox, but this is like a facial in a mask. Like, after using this mask, your skin feels so soft, so healthy, as in like, okay, shika hivi, you feel, oh my goodness. Then this one is the avocado. I have not tried this avocado. These two, the rice and the avocado, were the ones that I got so that I can get this one for free. Am I wise, really? Yeah, but all the same, these masks, let me see this one I will share with you guys on my IG after I use them and tell you how they are. But I was not disappointed, and I had not heard about them before. It was that time when there was a craze for Korean skincare, everything, and I jumped on the bandwagon and got these masks, and they have not disappointed me. So yeah, guys, so that is my little short mask collection. And the reason why these masks make it easy for me is because I don't have a lot of time. I work shift, and then sometimes on my days off I travel, or I have to sit down and film and also cater to my family. So these masks are a shortcut for me to achieve my skincare goals. You remember my vision board for treating our skin and being healthy and staying young. So these masks are a shortcut for me. If you have any skincare related questions that you would like me to answer, please feel free to ask in the comment section below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.